Welcome back to our second virtual video for Unit 378. This time I'm going to discuss the role play. Now, I know that some of you may be doing this at home, so a role play may be a bit difficult. But don't panic, because you can film yourself doing a role play and provide that as evidence to us that you've done this. You won't be able to write down what you would do because it's a role play, so you have to physically act it out. In order to complete this part of the unit, if you're not in school or if you're not with us on campus, it would mean you'd need to record yourself. You could do that using your phone and selfie camera, or you can do this maybe using your camera on your laptop. Just make sure the sound quality is okay and you're not in a noisy area. You can use someone in the household if you'd like, so it feels like you're talking to someone, although you can just act it out if there's no one available. So the role play. So this is about putting all the things you've learnt up until now into an action. And I want you to think about all of those things that you wrote about in the first part of this assessment. How did you cater for people's communication strategies? Were they German or Japanese in those two groups that you picked when you spoke about that? You can use some of that information in your role play. We'd like to see you do 3 important things. Have you given them directions maybe? Or have you given them information? Or do they want to book something with you? So you need to choose one of those things that you're going to do today. To be honest, actually providing someone some information or showing them where to go will give you the opportunity to tick those boxes of the things we're looking for in your role play. Those things are: have you used the correct language and greeting? So if you've chosen Japanese, please find out what a Japanese greeting is. If you've chosen German, for example, you'd need to use a German, obviously, greeting. So you can find greetings for any type of culture online. Just Google it. Also, you need to find out some information of where you're going to direct them to if you're using that, or you need to be prepared with information to provide the person to find directions. We do need to make sure that you've given them the opportunity to actually find alternative ways of finding things if their English isn't very good. So maybe you could offer them a link to translation services, or here's a copy in your language of the information I'm providing you today. So some things we're looking for non-verbal communication: head nods. Okay, so that's, for example, that shows that when you're speaking, if you understand, that's non-verbal communication. Eye contact, like I'm making with you right now in the camera. If you make eye contact with us in the camera, we will tick that to say that you've made eye contact. The relevant body position. Right now I'm sitting upright, but if I was slouching, it would make this video not really appropriate. So do sit upright, look professional. Appropriate hand movements. I've been doing this throughout this video, but if you're showing me directions of where to go, you could just point a certain direction that you're telling me. That way I know that's what you mean. We will be ensuring that you've shown us some non-verbal body language for your communicating. We want to know that you're catering for our culture. So you can do that, obviously, by being polite, using your manners, speaking at a reasonable pace, being clear, no slang, no sweet as, awesome. That doesn't exist when communicating with someone from another culture. Keep it sweet and short and sweet. It would make it very simple for you to do a role play, just introducing yourself, how can I help you, show them the information, ask them if they have any questions, and then finish the role play off. I'll give you an example, and that example is I'm showing you directions of where to find your hotel today. Hi, my name's Mel. How can I help you today? Okay, oh, you're Japanese. Konnichiwa. You would like to find your way to the Britomart Hotel. Great, I can help you. Here is my map. If you are here and you turn right, so you're going this way, you will see a great big sign saying Britomart Hotel. You go towards that and enter into the 2 front doors. The people at reception will help you from there. If you understand better in Japanese, we do have a website that you can visit to get this map in Japanese. Is there anything else I can help you with today? No? Thank you and have a good day. See, that wasn't very long, and that won't take you very long. If you set your camera up, speak clearly, professionally, and have your greeting sorted, and obviously make sure that you provide them the option for translation or show them where to go, that's just fine. Well, all the best with 378 and completing your role play.